Hello, New Glarus Bands and Miss Dofer and Mr. Schultz. So I just wanted to let you guys know that we are going to be recording Mountains, Lakes, and Chocolate today. I'm here in Budapest, Hungary, and I'm working with a studio band that's going to do that. And so as soon as it's all done, I'll make sure you guys get a copy. But thanks so much for a wonderful world premiere that you guys did. And I look forward to hopefully seeing you guys soon again in the coming years. Have a great day. By the way, it's super hot here. Super hot and hungry. I don't know why.